Hey, Thought Bella friends, thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, we are going to do, once again, a very simple, quick watercolor, kind of like a nature study, and we're going to combine that with some ink. So if you guys are all set, let's paint. much for joining me today, Thought Palette friends. It is so near and dear to this artist's heart every time that you stop by. And for today's video, I was inspired by this book that I had it for a long time, but I never really used it. And I kind of started looking into it, and it is the Smithsonian Floral. It is called Inside the Secret World of Plants. So if you guys want to check that out, it's not only visually appealing, it gives you a lot of awesome information. And I'm going to try to be doing a little bit more nature studies, and we're going to try to go out and about. I do have a trip planned for us to go to, weather permitting, and it has not been cooperating. So hope you guys can go check that out. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below. Please be kind, and don't forget to hit that notification bell every time that I post a video. And I will see you guys next week. And as always, with creativity and imagination, there are possibilities. So until next thought, may God always. I will see you soon.